This is Greg Michalowski from FXDD, and this is a Forex video quick for the Aussie versus US dollar. Well, if you recall, yesterday we took a look at this daily chart in the Aussie versus US dollar. We connected these highs from last year's 2010 high, which occurred at 94.04, the January high, which occurred at 93.29, and the March high, which occurred at 92.51. And we were commenting how the market was having trouble getting through this resistance level. However, the Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate decision pushed the market through that level today, currently at the 92.18, and the market went up to test the March high again at 92.51. We actually moved above that level, reaching a high today at 92.58. Let's move on to the hourly chart, and we can see here how the market originally in the day moved below the 100-hour moving average, but then caught the surge to the upside once we broke that 92.18, 17 level here. The market moved to the highs, came off, tested the support, and again is now moving back to the highs, currently trading at 92.48. We're going to have to get through this 51 to 57 level on the top side in order to push the market higher. So what kind of support do we have down there other than the 92.17, 18 level off of that daily chart? Well, if you look at the 5-minute chart and you take the low for the day and the high for the day and do a Fibonacci retracement, the 50% retracement came in at 92.11. That's exactly where the market went down to. Also at that level or near that level was the 200 bar moving average on this chart. So we did see the market try to push to the downside here, but found ample buyers down there at 11, and you can see we left that tail move pretty quickly to the upside. We went up to test the 100 bar moving average initially, came down to test the 38.2% retracement of this move before moving higher in the last hour and a half for that currency pair. As I said, we're going to have to get through this 92.57 level in order to push higher. If we do, then we should see the market start to move up higher to the next target level, which is a 93.29 level. That's the high for 2010, reached in January. This is Greg Michalowski with the Forex video quick for the Aussie versus US dollar.